Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nay. Thanks for stopping by my channel today. Today's video is going to be a dresser DIY. So I just started off with a really old dresser and I cleaned that up with some vinegar and water. After we were done with that, Carlos went in with some gloves and some sandpaper and just started to sand the edges of where those dresser drawers are in. We did end up popping all those dresser drawers out as well, just to make life a little bit more easier. So yeah, you see Carlos here just popping off that hardware with a butter knife. Whatever works, honestly, but we are switching out that hardware, so that's why he's just popping those guys off there. And once we were done with that, we were able to clean those dresser drawers and sand those guys down as well. This was a little bit time consuming, but the finished product was super worth it, and we had the entire project done within 24 hours, so it was honestly a very speedy process if you look at it that way. So once we were done sanding everything down, we went right back in with that vinegar and a water mixture and just wiped that guy with a damp, warm cloth. And here Carlos is just spreading out some newspaper underneath that dresser so that way we do not make a huge mess with that paint. So we did decide to get a paint and primer in one, and the color is called Antique White. It's a very, very beautiful white color, but it does have a little bit of a cream base underneath, so it's gonna look gorgeous in my bedroom. And so here Carlos is just rolling that paint on here, and I did go back in with a smaller detailed brush just to, you know, clean up the edges and such. So here is the dresser. It honestly turned out super cute. And here he is just painting the entire dresser drawer white as well. We painted the entire thing white just to make it that much more cohesive, and so that way when you do open the drawer, you can see that white. So this is the hardware that we decided to go with. We found these guys at Home Depot. I believe it's just like a little scalloped hardware, and I think they were like 98 cents, so it worked out perfectly. And this is the final result, you guys. This is the dresser in my bedroom, and I could not be any more happy. It looked so cute. I had to stick that little pink ottoman right next to it, and I just love how this hardware looks in my bedroom with everything. It is so gorgeous. I honestly wouldn't have it any other way. Please give it a big fat thumbs up if you like this video, and if you want to see more, you know, DIY projects. Alright, see you guys in the next one. See you later, alligator. Bye!